Think win-win.
Leading the way, some Battery Creek High School students are kicking off their summer by making history as they become the first in the world to earn micro-credentials through Leader in Me.
So basically, micro-credentials are just tools and skills we can use throughout our lives, our days, just to make, I guess, our lives a little bit easier and to help us grow as people.
What I've been learning is how to use our 7 habits in life and how to put them into play throughout high school and how we can use them to make just our everyday experience better and just completing our everyday tasks.
During the 2-day workshop, students are taking part in several hands-on leadership activities and are also presenting personal projects to a panel of evaluators.
Me and my partner, we are making a presentation contributing to band because every year seniors leave and we need more people. So we have made flyers and we're going to present the flyers to help people and invite people to come to our band.
My presentation is on how I plan on to go and become a welder and how I can use those habits to prepare me more for the stuff I have to do in order to become a welder and start a welding company.
The school is proud to be part of Leader in Me and is excited to be offering students this groundbreaking opportunity to grow as leaders.
Leader in Me has used us to beta test new curriculum and pilot new things, and we've really led the way for other schools around the country and around the world where this program is used. And these micro-credentials are honored by the state for their college and career ready points as well. So we're giving them not only life skills, but also different ways to earn that college and career ready status for the state of South Carolina.
Earning the micro-credentials highlights each student's real-world leadership skills and prepares them for future success.
These leadership skills, they're good to learn early because in the future, you're going to have a lot of opportunities. There are going to be a lot of things that test you. So just knowing these skills early on is really going to help you get the job that you want, get the opportunities that you need, so your life will be the best as possible.
14 students earned the micro-credentials during the workshop at Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
So that can definitely help me accomplish this goal.